for Charlie's Advent Calendar. We are on to day 13. Here's our 13th envelope we are going to remove from the box. Get my scissors. And let's see what is in store for day 13. I have a nail here on standby, an almond shaped nail with the base coat. We have got snowflakes. Golden metal snowflake slices. See if I can get this up where you can see it. And here are the metal snowflakes. I think these are beautiful. What color nail should we think we should do the blue? There's some snowflakes in the nighttime sky. Whoops. Cover your nail completely. Full coverage in one coat. How do you like that? I like it a lot. Isn't it beautiful? This is P333 from Pewty, and this is from the Manhattan Collection off Amazon. I'm gonna pop that in the lamp, give it a full cure. Let me see what I got here. Those are yesterday's. Let me clean out this tray so I can use it. It'll be dirty. Please excuse my dirty tray. It has some previous glitter in it. Please excuse. Here are metal slices. There is probably about 20 in here. They're so tiny. I want to put something else on the nail. I'm going to pause and look. I applied the blue Hello Pixie. I think I did that off camera. I had it on pause and I forgot. Terribly sorry. Whoops. So now I'm going to use my Ideal Beauty top coat that I use for glitter. I'm going to top coat this. This is beautiful. Top coat well. Where's my snowman? Wish the snowman had eyes. Now we're going to go in with some of our snowflakes. I think these are too cute. Too cute. So I hope you can see this. We've got our snowman from day 11. Our snowflakes from day 13. I'm going to pop this to the lamp and give her a full 60-second cure. And we'll be right back. Okay, here is our finished nail with day 13 snowflakes. They are thin metal slices. I did top coat over to seal them in to make it all smooth, even over the Fimo. I think these are so cute. Visit charliesnailart.co.uk for all your nail art needs. Please use my code NAILED10 to save yourself 10% off at checkout. Save you some coins and help me out. Well, we'll see you tomorrow for day 14 and whatever may be in the envelope. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.